Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn OOPS sixth program. The question is develop a Java program to implement currency converter from dollar to rupees, from yen to in rupees. Yen is nothing but currency converter of Japan. Euro to rupees, from rupee to euro, rupee to currency converter of Japan, and rupee to dollar. Vice versa is done. Distance converter from meter to kilometer, miles to kilometer, or from kilometer to miles or kilometer to meter, hour to minute, minute to hour, or hour to second, or second to hour. Time converters. So basically we need to create three classes here. First class is currency converter, second class is distance converter, and third class is time converter. So we'll just go with the program. As you can see here, package, this is left to you, whichever your name will be there that you are going to do. And import java.util. Scanner is also used. There are certain what's a built-in classes like decimal form formats, which is going to display in the form of points as well, that we are going to make use of here. Text format we need to display, and language, some mathematical formulas are there, so we are going to use, or if you're not using you can delete as well, not an issue. Public class OOP6, this is same as your class name which you are going to create, followed by public static void main string arguments. We already know this line is not required. Character, this is used to switch cases we are going to use, so we are using here int ch. If you enter 1, we are going to do currency converter. If you enter 2, we are going to do distance converter. If you are going to do 3, time converter. If you are going to select 4, exit we are going to do. And all these particular what say variables are created using the question. In the question they have given rupee, dollar. Code is not required, this is not a variable. And euro, yen, and kilometer, meter, miles, hours, minutes, seconds, all these are variables of type called as double. Then we, as I have already told, we are going to display in specific format like decimal formats for all the converters. So we are going to use here as decimal format. F equals to new decimal format, it should be in this format only, value will be in this format only. Important line, this is an object, this is f is an object, and this is a class. Scanner, because how we know it is an object, new variable, in the sense new keyword is used here. Here also new keyword is used. So while true, in the sense always this particular line will be executed. Wherever you are stuck also, wherever you come out also, this particular line will be executed until unless you click on 4 for exit. System.out.println, this is for our purpose, we are going to display for the user. If enter your choice conversion, then if we enter any particular number, it will be stored in ch. Now coming to the switch statement, switch, if we entered 1, this case 1 will be mapped and this particular lines of code will be executed. In case 1, it is a currency converter. So for that, first the user need to enter the dollar to convert into rupee, right? For example, if we enter 100, that will be stored in dollar, and we are going to use a variable rupee equals to dollar into 75. And finally this rupee we need to display in the form of decimals. So for that, there is a format function is there, and we are passing the parameter called as rupee. F dot format, f is nothing but our decimal format. Finally rupees in decimal format will be displayed. This is with respect to dollar. Same thing we have for euro as well, and this is a formula, only this thing you need to remember, formula. And this is also a formula for euro into 84, depends on the currency in today's world how much it is, value of that. Then if we are going to call, same here you need to change it as rupees. F dot format rupee value will be changed to euro. In the similar way for Japan currency yen, to convert the rupee we are asking to the user enters the value, and finally we are dividing, this is a formula, divide by 0.59. And finally we are displaying our rupee here, which is in the form of decimals. And this is only for dollar to rupee, or yuan to euro to rupee, or yuan to rupee. Now we need to do vice versa. To do that, only formula will change, all the same thing, only copy paste till here, till till the break, till here you need to copy paste. Only thing we are going to change is the formula. As you can see the formula here, division formula. Same thing, enter the inner, in the sense enter rupee to convert to the dollar, and you are going to enter the rupee and you are going to divide that rupee by 75, divide by repeat by 84 for euro. Divide not, we are multiplying because there we have used divide by 0.59, so here we are going to multiply. And finally displaying in the form of what's a decimal format. And finally break, this is for your currency converter. Now for example, if you have entered case 2 means we need to display like system.out.println enter number in meters to convert into kilometers. For example, if I give 100 means it is in floating point, in a sense double, so that will be multiplied by 1000 and it will give me kilometers. And finally we are displaying that kilometers format, f dot format kilometers. In the similar way here also, enter number in miles, we are entering into the miles to convert the kilometers, and we are multiplying that into 1.60. You can give 60 enough, 934 is not required. Kilometers equals to miles into 1.60934. And finally we are displaying that particular kilometers. These are the two parameters or two things we need to calculate. Similar way copy paste for the next also, only the formula will change. Division 1000, division 1.60, and display purpose is also same. And finally we are breaking that particular case. This is for distance converter. Next, if you have entered 3 means we need to do for time converter. So we are asking for the user like enter the hours to convert into minutes. That hours we are going to store in our variable, and we are 1 minute equals to whatever into multiply by 60. So we are calculating that, and we are making it as, for example, 1 hour equals to 60 seconds, 1 hour equals to 60 minutes, for 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, like that we are multiplying it. Only the formula will change, only the formula will change here, into 60 into 3600. And finally division will happen here. This is for conversion, vice versa. And finally we are breaking that particular group. All these things are same thing, copy paste from case 1 to case 2, case 3. Only the formulas you need to remember. Now case 4 exists, system.out.println exiting the program. How we are exiting? By system.exit 0. We are exiting from the program. So the output for that particular stuff we are going to see using Eclipse. We'll directly go to the Eclipse now, and in the Eclipse we'll just go for file, new Java project. Here we are going to use OP lab program. You can give anything according to your wish, not don't require to create module. And you can see here our Java project has been created. Double click on Java project, right click on src folder. When you find src folder, right click, create package, give your name for the package and click on finish, and your empty box will be generated. Right click on that and go for class, our sixth program, right, OOP6, and click on finish. I just copy paste because of time consumption. I just go to the program. You will find this particular program lengthy, but it is very easy if you understand the logic. From the import I'll just right click, from the import I'll just right click, I'll just right click, copy this particular program and paste in this particular line. In the similar way, copy this particular program, copy this program, paste, again copy the program, case 3, and we have copied entire program. And if any errors are there, right click on that, and you can see here there are certain errors which has not copied. I'll just see what are the errors here. I hope double quotes are there. Yes, this double quotes we need to do the back thing. And our no errors are there. Just right click, give run as, and run as Java application. As you can see here, this is enter your choice for conversation. I'll just give 1 for currency converter. Enter the amount, I'll give 100. It gave me 7500 because 100 into 75, 7500. For euro also I'll give 100, 8400. For yen, that is Japan currency, also I'll give 100. I got this much amount. Now we need to give the vice versa, right? We need to give dollar amount. I'll give 7500 500, it should give me 100 according to me. Yes, it gave me. In the same way, I'll just give 8400 because I'm giving the same values here. You can see here same values. It should give me the same value. It gave me 100. In the same way, for Japanese currency, 169.492, I'll just click on enter and I got 100 value as well. Simple. In the similar way, for 2, I am going to give 125 meters. It will be converted to, because 1000 multiplication. Miles also I'll give 25 and it gave me 40.0. Now I need to give vice versa. Yes, 2.5 because I missed 0 here. You can give 40.233 and it gave me the exact value as 25. Now coming back to the time converter, enter the hour. I'll give the 3 hours means 180 minutes. If I give 3 hours only, it will give me the seconds. And if I give 180 vice versa, it should give me 3 hours. In the same way, 108 double zero, if I give, it should give me 3 hours. And finally the program didn't execute because we have while of true, one time it will execute, then we'll give 4. It came out exiting the program, and done. We are done with the program. Thank you.